Hello, good noon guys. Char. Good morning. Yun, na-drop off na namin ang mga kiddos and tapos na din ako maligo because I'm planning on going to like the park, you know. Wala lang, walking lang good guys. Maiwan lang ata yung asawa ko dito dahil batawin to dahil wala ata siya sa mood. Kita natin sa inyo kung ano yung itsura ng park dito sa amin. Actually maganda yung ano dito guys. Yung park dito dahil ano siya, malinis, tapos napaka-green ng kanyang grass. So, let's go guys. Tapusin ko lang itong ang aking papaganda. And then, samahan niyo ako. Guys, ito yung park dito sa amin. Andito na ako. Ako lang mag-isa guys. Yung asawa ko andun sa bahay. Relax mode. Hindi ko alam kung lalabas ba ako or ano kasi lamig. Pero gusto ko lang i-flex sa inyo. Ito yung park dito. Tingnan nyo yung playground guys. Nilagyan nila ng ano ko tawag nitong canopy na ano siya. Inatipan nila ba para yung mga bagets hindi masyadong mainit para sa kanila. Ayun. So that's good, 'di ba? And yan yung area doon guys is pwede kayo mag-barbecue diyan ng inyong family. Yes, allowed naman. Basta lang yung mga trash ninyo ay kailangan ninyong pick-upin. Charot, nag-tour talaga. Yan, tour ko lang kayo dyan sa aming park. Malapit lang to dito sa amin. Actually, very close to the school, guys. Yung school doon lang banda. Okay, guys, tara, walking tayo. Actually, it's very windy today. So, yeah, tingnan natin kung kakayanin ba na katawang lupa ko. Well, naka-dress up naman talaga ako ng warm but not to take yung aking jacket. So, ito nga pala guys, ayan. Ito yung park dito sa amin. Tingnan niyo yung sinasabi ng grass. Syempre winter kaya hindi siya masyadong green. Pero kasi pag hindi winter, nag-green talaga yan. As in green, yung maganda talaga tingnan. So ito yung park nila. Ayan. Yan. So siguro this weekend ano ko yung mga bata dito, dadalhin ko dito. Yan. Nice ha. Nice dito, tingnan nyo. Closer. Lakad-lakad tayo pero walang tao, so feel maglakad na. So balik ako. Yan. Balik-balik lang tayo. Ayaw ko masyadong pumunta doon ng malayo kasi syempre pag wala masyadong tao mas mabuti kasi yung may mga tao ba sa paligid mo, hindi yung alam niyo na wala masyadong tao. So pwede nga pala kayo mag ano dyan, oh. Pwede kayong mag meron palang tao doon, oh. Pwede kayong maglaro dito ng ano tawag nito, yung volleyball, ganun. Yan. So tapusin lang natin ang paglalakad guys and then we'll see kung anong tagal ko maglakad kasi medyo malamig talaga siya. Yung kamay ko nandito sa aking pocket. So let's go guys.
A few moments later.
Oh. Guys, grabe yung lamig. Talaga. Kaya lang. So I make like 4 turns. Hindi masyadong malayo guys. So kaya madali lang ako. But I did like at least 15 minutes, 'di ba? 15 minutes of walking, that's good. we do really need to i-exercise yung ating katawan, good guys, kasi talagang masyado na tayong vavoy. So let's go guys, tara mag-ano na tayo, uwi na, let's go, uwi na tayo dahil luluto pa tayo, charot. So malapit lang talaga kami dito. That's really the good thing kung saan man kami nakatira ngayon. I love it. Tingnan nyo, parang tumutulo na yung sipon ko dahil syempre malamig nga. I should although meron akong hoodie sa aking jacket kasi I thought it's warmer kasi ano na oras but anyway, yup.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, done with our Christmas decoration. Tinanggal na namin lahat. So, ayan na. Kikita na ninyo, wala na mga decor, Christmas tree. Wala na. Mga pillows. Pillowcase lang naman nilagay dyan sa bag. So, ayan na lahat guys. Yung tray nalagay na ni asawa sa taas. So, wala nang wala na. So, Christmas is over and it's New Year na talaga. Yun pa ang aming mga ilalagay pa yan sa taas guys para for next year naman. Yun.
You have reached a number that has been disconnected.
What?
That's a sign.
Stop it!
No, that's a sign to get somebody else.
What it says though?
It says, ring ding ding. You have reached a number that has been disconnected and no longer in service.
Oh, okay. Then, gotcha. Tinatawagan namin. Dito na pala kami sa nag-aantay na naman kami sa mga bagets. Tinatawagan namin yung abogado kasi meron kaming ipapagawa. Napaka-importante.
Yeah, hi. I just wanted to, I guess, make an appointment or find out about want to make sure everything is kind of on the right page if something was ever to happen to me.
A few moments later.
Oh, go ahead and let's get that.
You want one of those?
Yeah.
What do you want?
And then the one for the kids' meal.
Or you want the top up there?
That's fine either.
Which one do you
Big
want?
Mac bundle is fine. Like that's for everybody, right?
Well, the kids could get a Happy Meal.
Okay, let's go. Okay, just wait. Do you want juice, Cassandra, or milk? Huh?
Oh, I want milk.
What about you, Cuz?
What was that?
Milk or juice?
No.
Huh?
Milk, I guess.
Okay, milk.
Can I get one of those Big Mac bundles?
And for the sauce?
What was that?
And for the sauce?
Let me have ranch and barbecue sauce.
Okay.
And then I also want 2 cheeseburger Happy Meals
With extra
with
fries.
the chocolate milk. Can I get the all fries with that?
No, no up.
Cheeseburgers, right?
Yeah.
No fruits.
And your drinks were?
Chocolate milk.
We don't have chocolate milk at the moment.
Juice is fine.
Apple juice.
Okay.
And then 2 McDoubles.
Okay.
And a Big Mac. Buy one and get one for $1.
Okay.
I got it.
Guys, andito yung mga bagets.
Cannot put that glue on your fingers because it will get into your cuticles and get into your
Napagalitan
bloodstream.
siya kanina ng
I
maya.
didn't know it had
Kasi
that kind of glue.
ang taas-taas ng kuko niya.
Acrylic
Siyempre,
nails
bata
for
pa
a
siya. Wait, 10 years old
is
pa,
against
guys.
the law.
Diba? Parang hindi pa naman
Don't
bagay
tell the
tingnan
other
kasi
kids at
baby
school
girl
that
pa
because
siya.
I know better.
Although magandang talaga siya sa
Okay.
school. Kaya lang, you know,
If you want to
masyado
stick
pang
them on
bata
with tape or something and play around at home, that's one thing. But to wear them like that to school that's
Gutom na gutom si Gabriel.
you got to be like
guys.
18 to do that.
Kawawa naman. Gabriel, finish your food and you
Yeah.
can have French fries later.
Sorry for the bad news, but that's
Eat
the
your
way it
orange.
is.
Dad.
Oh, okay. Let me
I
see.
did 2 times.
Oh! Tada! Gabriel finish his food. Meron pang orange na tira. Ayan. So, dumiretso na kami dito dahil gutom kami. Han! Cass, you want some orange?
No.
Yeah, it's good for you. Here, try at this one.
No.
So guys,
They're
ayan.
gonna make
Kumuha
us
na
go.
kami for dinner as well para hindi na ako magluto mamaya. Diyan pipick
They're
upin
gonna
yung
make
food.
us go to the
So,
window over there. Watch.
every time na kumakain kayo sa labas, guys, eto, konti pa nga lang to eh. Konti pa nga lang ito. Usually, hindi ganito. Usually, nagbabayad kami like mga minsan $70. Ganun pag kumakain kami sa labas. So, kaya ganito po talaga kamahal dito sa Amerika, guys. Kaya, wag niyong sabihin na yung mga tao dito mayaman talaga. Juice bomb.
These are all fries, right?
And
They're all
a
fries.
Happy Meal. Yes. Oh, yep, all fries. Here, hold yours, Cassandra and Gabriel.
This is mine?
Yeah, kasi,
Toys.
huh?
Marshmallows.
Alright. What is this? Are this the bundle? Did you ask?
That's everything. You got McDoubles, bundles.
Oh, okay. So we're good?
They'll be home. You want something to eat, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
What is that, Gabriel?
It's marshmallow.
Oh, wow. Where's your food?
Right there. I'm saving that.
Oh, okay. Guys, dito na kami sa bahay. Ito na yung mga napamili namin. Nag-McDo kami kasi para mamaya ba, hindi na ako magluto. Parang wala kasi ako sa mood magluto eh. Char. Gasto. Uy. Guys, we got this Big Mac.
Look at that fatty one.
Ang dami pa ng Big Mac na. Apat sila.
Did I have mine?
4 Big Macs. Yes. And Gabriel's juice. And some sauce. Ayan. Tapos may mga fries pa doon sa asawa ko. So, kain tayo, guys. Cassandra
I
got.
like
What do you want?
I like ranch and ketchup mix.
Cassandra got Happy Meal. Burger
You
yan?
take like
Nugget?
this and then go
That's
like
all.
that.
Good.
Look.
She juice. She's not in the mood right now, guys. And Gabriel got some
Is that good?
fries. Where's your fries, Cass?
Right here.
Ah,
Look,
okay.
you go like this and then you
Gabriel
dip
got
it in
some,
there.
got some fries. We also have French fries at saka yung nugget. They have really good nugget. I like.
I like their nuggets.
You like it too? So binilan din namin si Kuya Kent para later.
No,
Kuya
it's
Kent
good.
is
It
having
tastes-
burger the Big Mac.
What's good is take the ranch
disgusting.
And then mix it in with the
Oh,
ketchup.
yeah. This is your story.
Disgusting. I can't hear it.
Hey, it's a family.
How was it, Kat? Good?
Bad now.
Not enough. Gabriel, how's your food?
It's not like on my crack. It's
Guys, Gabriel said be quiet.
Quiet.
It's like on my cheek.
Guys, tapos na kumain ang all. Ako hindi pa.
Shoot.
Gable, scan
Tada! Big Mac.
it. Scan it so you can see the green.
Okay naman. Okay lang. I mean,
With your tablet. Scan it.
fresh naman yung mga foods nila. I like it.
Sign it. You have to.
It's good when you mix it.
No, I can't do it. Well, I'll show you later. Why are they saying?
Once in a while, kailangan din kumain sa labas. Bumili pagkain sa labas ba?
Don't worry about it.
Kasi, minsan, deserve din natin mag-relax. Charot. Kaya lang, mahal talaga. Especially sa family of 5. Talagang, dollar. Mahal. Hindi naman namin nagawa to palagi. But, in 1 week, kakain talaga kami sa labas. Once a week pala.
Cartoon cat.
Say hi.
Hi. Do you want any fries at the bottom of this?
No, perfect.
Oh my god, say hi. But it's yours. Oh my god, say hi.
Gabriel wants to say hi, guys.
Hi, Cartoon cat. No.
Done? Okay.
I'll take
Yeah.
2. So, how's your day? Hello, loves. How was your day today?
A few moments later.
Ganyan talaga yan siya, guys. Every time she come home, she always do her homework. Ayaw niya yan magpa-istorbo.
Hi!
Ito pala yung ginagawa ko ngayon. Ayan. Alam niyo ba kung ano to? Ito, ano to eh. Paparapol ako kasi minsan may mga alahas na medyo mabigat siya. Like, nagko-worth siya ng mga 100k pataas. So, meron akong pinaparapol para kung hindi man siya mabenta, pinapadaan ko na lang sa raffle. At least, usually they spend like $10 ang isang number, $12 ang isang number. So, usually guys, dahil nga mabibigat yung mga pinaparapol ko palagi, 1 to 100 yung number. So, you can pick any number. Basta available siya, and then as long as ma-pay mo kagad. So, like for example this, ito yung ginagawa ko kasi mamaya na yung bola kasi nakabayad na ang lahat. So, this is also one of the strategy for me ha, kasi kung hindi man siya mabenta, at least ginagawa. Although, matrabaho talaga to guys, kasi syempre, from taking pictures, from posting, from sending messages to my customer na, uy, baka gusto mo tumaya o baka swerte ka o diba, ganon. So, marami yan sila, sinisendan ko ng message, tapos tumataya naman sila. I've been doing this for a long time already. Tapos, yeah. Tapos, kapag lucky ka, o sa halagang $10 each or $12 each, meron ka ng napakabigat na item. Diba? So, ganyan ang ginagawa ko, guys. So, it's okay lang. Kasi although matrabaho talaga siya, pero at least ba, yan ang way ko din na para maalis siya dito na mabenta siya ganun. So, 1 to 100 yung ginagawa ko. And then after that, ikakat ko ito. And then, syempre, guys, every time I bola, yung bulahin na yung raffle, it has to be on the live kasi para may mga viewers at nakikita nila talaga yung ginagawa mo kasi hindi pwede na ano lang dahil pwede yung ma-edit. So, kailangan naka-live ka talaga para talaga nakikita talaga na wala talagang, kasi wala naman talagang panuloko sa raffle. I don't know kung merong ibang nagloloko, but for me, of course not. Hindi yan ako. So, anyway, work mode tayo ngayon. Ganyan. So, tapusin lang natin to lahat, and then, let's go sa go. Ayun, ipang-ship pa itong mga items na ito, guys. Ayan. Ang dami niyan. Yan, isi-ship pa yan. Na guys, na ano ko na siya, na-cut. So, mamaya na to when it comes time kasi everybody knows kasi bago ako magbobola, I always update everybody's yung mga tumaya na this time tayo magbobola, this time tayo magla-live. So, that's why they're gonna watch, especially pag wala silang work. So, yan lang yung nagawa ko, guys. So, 'di ba? Pasilip ulit sa aking mga ginagawa. Tayo magluluto ng dinner, guys, because meron kaming maraming sobra yung binili namin kanina sa McDo. So, for sure, Kuya will gonna love it kasi meron talaga para sa kanya.
A few moments later.
Guys, kagigising ko lang. Nag-nap kaming dalawa ni Gabriel. So, meron pa akong leftover na burger kanina. Hindi ko kasi ito natapos. Dahil nga, busog na ako sa nugget pa lang at saka sa fries. So, tatapusin ko to. Ayan. Everyday na kami nagnanap dalawa. Kasi kailangan ko din magnap katabi niya. Para talaga matulog siya ng maaga. Para hindi siya late na matulog ba. Tapos gabi na magising na. Atay. Kaya, tinatabihan ko siya. Tapos, syempre, antomabi, inaantok. Mga bata. Ito yung favorite ni Cassandra Kaya lang, hindi to sa kanya hindi niya kinukuha sa kapatid niya to, kay Gabriel. Squishy. Kaya lang, squish na squish. What I don't like about the burger is, ano siya, mabilis siya magsagi, good guys. Ibig sabihin yung, parang basa na yung, ano niya, yung bread niya.
Mom, did you add all the chicken nuggets?
I think so. Here, excuse me, Cam.
Who's eating my other burger? Big Mac?
Di ba, meron kaming dinner.
I'm just messing.
So, salamat naman, hindi na ako magluluto dahil talagang para makarelax ba? Di ba, sabi ko nung nakaraang video ko na, yun ang aming New Year, is at least magtipid.
All the McDo?
McDo?
Where's my fries?
Nobody.
In the bag. This? Oh, sure. I just want one. It's cold, man. Why didn't you heat them?
Pero okay lang naman, guys, kasi kami,
Heat them.
minsan, may times talaga, 3 beses kami bumibili ng pagkain sa labas. So, Pero ngayon, tinatry namin isang beses sa isang linggo lang.
These are good.
Para makatipid. I know, I love those. Those are very sweet. Para makatipid ba?
Like
Kasi
me, sweet.
wala kaming mga trabaho.
Like me, sweet, right?
Yes, you are. Very sweet.
Very bitter. Yeah! I've been bitter lately, though.
What happened to you? You gotta be starting being nice.
Somebody, it's not really the place. It's just the haircut. You gotta get it like shaved.
It was shaved though. It's just the hair grows fast.
No, his wasn't shaved.
Not
It barely got a trim.
not the top, right? Hi. Say bye to the video.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, guys.
See you 3 days.
Addie, get something on your feet, please.
3 days.
That's what you.
That's my baby girl, guys.
See you tomorrow.
Sometimes, guys, she's nice. Sometimes she is something.
See you later, guys.
Guys, nagmana ata ito sa kanyang nanay, guys, na sometimes mabait, sometimes crazy. Narinig naman yung sinabi ng asawa ko, di ba? Sabi niya, headache daw.
I'm supposed to close it out.
Okay, guys!
Bye. Hiya.
Guys, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Bye.
Yeah! Bye, guys!